Hi everyone, welcome to Arcade Treasure Center. My name is Roy, and before I show you this little haul, which you kind of saw at the beginning already, I've got a new intro that's about to show. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the new intro.
Hi, Brian.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Got anything left?
We saved you some. There ought to be something in here you can turn over.
I will. You still got one more day. You've been, I know we came on our first day, I was like, wow, that's good.
We sold a lot, but it
Oh, I know you
doesn't
have.
look like it. It just never ending.
All right, so let me give you a quick overview of these items that I picked up. So over here, you got an old vintage Winnie the Pooh snow water globe. You've got Mickey's Unlimited Santa's Best. Don't look at the prices. If you see prices on here, don't look at them, because that wasn't the actual prices. You got old Kmart prices. You got some old other prices. Don't look at those kind of prices. But this is Mickey's Best, or Mickey's Guarantee Unlimited Santa's Best. You're paying glass style, hand blown, handcrafted ornaments. And I picked up several of them. And this one is a little baby in a stocking. This one's Donald Duck. Who doesn't like Donald Duck? There's the Abominable Snowman from Rudolph. Over here we've got Eeyore, and that's Tigger. Then right here I've got a Pooh. He's a actually an Easter Pooh, and I haven't tried him out yet, but he's supposed to move around and do different things, but I haven't tried him out yet. Probably need to put batteries in it. I picked up some Batgirl Batman ornaments. Those are just kind of inexpensive. There's another Winnie the Pooh. This one's actually a musical centerpiece. The box is a little bit damaged. Now originally the price was $19.99, but this is a little centerpiece. It's musical and it's a wind-up. There's a Furby. Gotta have Furby. That's an old Furby's been around for a while. There's an old Baby New Year 2000 Millennial Edition. There's a Minnie Mouse from Mickey. Now this one's just a, excuse me, let me move some of the stuff around. This one's just a Hallmark keepsake. It's a village church. And over here we've got the horse. And of course there's Goofy. As you saw as I was moving stuff around, and there's other ones. Now the ornaments themselves, some of them are going to be a little bit more, some are going to be less. I did look up some comps, I did look up some things, and I should be able to get my money back and then some. Like I said, spent $67 for everything you see on the table down here. But as for just for the ornaments over there, I expect that, you know, a lot of those are going to go for $10 to $15. A couple of those are even going to go maybe a little bit higher, and that's not counting the shipping. So I should make, just out of the ornaments, I'm probably going to make close to $200. But then I've got some other great items. I got some other really good items. All right, so let's get into some of these other ones. This one is Taz. I like that. I love that. Sales cost. That, you know, sales are down, cost is up, and he's going crazy. And I love that. Even, oops, let me get this one-handed here. Even the back of it has the water cooler. I like that. And I don't know if you can see it, but it says 1974 Warner Brothers. It's got a little tiny chip up here. But this is a single bookend, so, but it's pretty nice. I like that. I think that's pretty neat. I think that's gonna sell. Now the clock, I'll have to look and see if the clock has a battery. I'm sure it does, and see if it can get it work, because the clocks are not working at this point in time. And I picked this up. I thought this was really nice. Kind of like the father, mother, and child, or a nativity this little scene, and it's kind of the shape of a heart. If you look through it, you can see the heart. I thought that was real pretty, so I picked that up. Roman Incorporated, so probably not anything expensive or anything like that, but it was really nice. And maybe that's gonna be a pretty item to sell. This I was really happy to pick up. Needs a little bit of cleaning. It's not too bad. It's the Clydesdale's Budweiser. Doesn't really say on here, but I looked this one up already. This is the 1983 version, and it'll sell for about $40. So I was really happy with that. I picked up these mugs, and some of the characters I know and I forget their names, and some of them I don't. So but this is a Star Trek character. You can see by the emblem on the shirt. Then we have Star Wars, Jar Jar Binks. I got that one in my mind. That one I remembered. Jar Jar Binks. $15.99 was on there wherever, but I didn't pay that price. And there's another Star Trek. If you're a Trekkie, don't get upset with me, because I actually like Star Trek. The old generation, new generation. I like all the Star Treks. In fact, the Picard's about to start the new series. And well, I'm very old Star Trek I liked. And the Next Generation I liked. And you know, as it kept going on, I forgot the names. So forgive me. But there's a name. So if you know the name, you're welcome to put it down in the comments. But there's another Star Trek mug. There's another Star Trek mug, Klingon, and I can't think of his name. And there's a Star Wars mug. That's pretty nice. It does have one little chip down there at the bottom. Overall, it's pretty nice. Well, let's jump here. We got Shrek. Like I said, if you see a price on it, don't look at it. That's not what I paid. I didn't pay $12 for it. But there's Shrek. And then there's his pal Donkey. And here is one of the princesses. I think it's Princess Jasmine, but don't get upset with me if I got that one wrong too. I'm not a big Disney fan, or excuse me, I'm not a big Disney character knowledge these days. I picked up this Six Flags mug. It's got all the characters on it. I love that one. That is so pretty. Look at the gold. Look at the fireworks in the background. The roller coaster. I mean, that's just awesome. Had $9.99 original price on it, I guess. All right, then I picked up this little bell. This was actually pretty good. This is a History's Chocolate World. It's like I'm assuming probably from Pennsylvania. No, I can't read it right there. But I'm assuming probably Pennsylvania, probably Hershey's, but I'm not sure. But it's got Hershey's, Reese's Cup, Mr. Goodbar. Let me see if I can get the light a little bit better. There you go. It says Hershey's Chocolate World. And it's a little bell. The next time I picked up, I thought was really cool, was the USA Moon Landing, July 21st, 1969, Apollo 11 with Collins, Armstrong, and Aldrin. You know, it's really nice. It's pretty. You know, we just hit the anniversary of it last year, and made Thomas, Germany. Huh, what do you know? Oh, it's going to be a really nice piece. And I skipped this, and I picked up this one. It's just a Walt Disney World Magic Kingdom ribbon glass, or ribbon glass plate. It's not an expensive one. It's just a souvenir dish is all it is. But a lot of people like to collect these. And I picked up another one a while back and hadn't sold, so I'll probably put them together and list the two. Now these two I picked up together and they don't match, but I'll show them to you. This is a Tiara glass. It's sandwich press glass. I think they call it Indiana glass. This is Humpty Dumpty on one side and Tom Tom the Piper's Son on the other. And it's really, really, really nice. This dates back to, don't get me wrong, but let's go from the 1930s, 1940s is about what it is. This is an amber glass. And then it's hard to see. This one's a clear glass, but with a blue tint. And I don't know if I could show you if you can probably see that blue in there. And actually, well, this is the cereal bowl, and like I said, it's not matching. This one's a different color, but it says, and if you can read it with the glare, I don't know. It says 3 blind mice, Little Miss Muffet, Little Bo Peep, and Mother Goose is down in the bottom. Let me see if I can get this where I can hold it up. It's a little bit better. Anyway, so I'll put these two together in a set and sell them together as a set. So those are all the items that I picked up. I was really happy about this. Like I said, I spent $67 on everything. And all said and done, between the ornaments and all the mugs, I should get between $10 and $15 on pretty much all the mugs. I have no idea about this, what the price of that, but I'll try to figure it out. Maybe $15, $20 on it. This I'll have to look up. I don't know what the price on that I'll put on. And with all these right there. So $67. I'll total it all up for sure. All right, so I just got through looking up several of the items on the comps and re-looking at the prices. I'm gonna do really well. The Disney mugs and the Star Trek mugs and odds and ends plates that I've got, they're gonna do really, really good. I got some good prices. Some of them are not so good, but they'll still make my money back. These ornaments, again, a couple of them okay, but for the majority, almost all of them are going to bring really, really good money. In fact, one of them, this Tigger, I just looked at it, and I'll show it to you. I'll show it to you up here. The Tigger one was selling for $18, $17.99, $18. Some with shipping, some without. But I mean, you know, these are all lightweight, package them real good, throw them in a box. They'll send out just fine. And like I said, if I can get $12 to $18 for the ornaments, for the majority of all the ornaments, counting what I have here, counting the mugs and the dishes and everything like that, I'm estimating that I should make around $460. Not a bad profit. So it's really, really good. I'm really happy about that. And I'm got to get a sip of coffee. Drinking out of my, there's a possibility that there's wine in this cup or in here, and there's not. It's coffee. I promise it's coffee. Anyway, I'm gonna do really well. I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, all you resellers out there, find it, sell it, profit. Take care, everyone. And if you're ever down in South Texas, look up Riverzedge Estate Sales. I've talked about them before in other videos. Jane and Andrew run the Riverzedge Estate Sales. They have an awesome, awesome sale. They do a really, really great job. Them and their crew, they work really hard. And I always find something I can bring home.